Hello students, welcome once again in online session of classroom. In our last lecture, I was teaching you determiners, and in that topic we have studied how the use of some and any is made. Today we shall study the use of some more determiners. See the first one here, the use of much and many. You know very well that much and many means ज़्यादा, and both are used to convey the same sense. But there are some difference. Much is used in order to show the quantity of uncountable noun. You know, uncountable noun cannot be described in number. It is described in quantity, and when the quantity is more, we shall have to apply much. See the example like this. In rainy season, in rainy season, there is a blank water in river. You know very well that whenever it rains or rainy season comes, the river becomes overflooded and there is much water in the river. Now see the second example. She has blank time to do her work. She has much time to do her work. So here time and water is uncountable, and when more they are more in quantity, we will have to apply much. Now see the second example, many. Many conveys the same sense. It is also ज़्यादा, but it shows number, and that's why it is used with countable nouns. When we can count something, we can describe it in number, and when the number is more, we will have to apply many. For example, I have blank friends in my school. We can count friends, that's why if the friends are more in number, we will have to apply many. Now see the next example, little and few. Little and few means कम. कम कैसा? न के बराबर. And like much and many, they are also described countable or uncountable noun. When something is very less in quantity, we will have to apply little, and when something is very less in number, we will have to apply few. See, little, थोड़ा न के बराबर, it shows quantity, so it is used with uncountable nouns. For example, she is poor, full stop. She has blank money to get by. Get by means होता है गुजारा करना. वह गरीब है, उसके पास गुजारा करने के लिए न के बराबर धन है. Now see the next, the use of few. Few conveys the same sense, थोड़ा न के बराबर, but it shows number. That's why it is used with countable nouns. And example is given below. I am new in this city, so I have blank friends here. Means a stranger has only less friend, and when we can count the noun, we will have to apply few here. Okay, now see the next, a little and the little. A little and a few. Use of a little and a few. Now what is meant by a little? A little means थोड़ा. थोड़ा means बहुत कम. Now it can be described like this, कम से ज़्यादा और ज़्यादा से कम. तब हम a little का प्रयोग करते हैं. जब कोई सी चीज़ कम से ज़्यादा हो और ज़्यादा से कम हो. Now to convey my message, I have drawn 3 pictures here. See, the first one, a pot, it is full of water. So we can say there is much water in the pot. Now see the third one. There is very less water in the pot. That's why we can say that the pot has little water. But in the picture between them, there is water in the pot, but it is not less in quantity or not more in quantity. Means ये कम से तो ज़्यादा है लेकिन ज़्यादा से कम है. That's why in such condition we will have to apply a little. Okay, now see the example. A little means thoda. It shows quantity and so it is used with uncountable noun. For example, there was blank water in the pot. The crow dropped some pebbles in it. In the story of Thirsty Crow, you have studied that the pot had a little water, and in condition of a little water, the water can rise up while dropping the pebbles. Now see the next example of a few. A few means thoda. It conveys the same sense but it shows number. So it is used with countable nouns. For example, I have blank books on this subject to read. So when the number is in the same degree as we have seen the quantity in above mentioned lines, we will have to apply here a few. So now you have got it. Now see the next use of the few and the little. निश्चित थोड़ा. जब लिटिल और फ्यू यानी कि अनकाउंटेबल और काउंटेबल यानी कि क्वांटिटी और नंबर निश्चित हो जाए तो वी विल हैव टू अप्लाई द फ्यू द लिटिल. सी व्हेन क्वांटिटी और नंबर बिकम्स डेफिनेट, द लिटिल मीन्स निश्चित थोड़ा. व्हेन क्वांटिटी ऑफ अनकाउंटेबल नाउन बिकम्स डेफिनेट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, the cat had drunk blank milk the pot had. मीन्स बिल्ली वह दूध पी गई जो बर्तन में था. मीन्स पहले से ही दूध निश्चित था जो एक पॉट में था और उसी दूध को बिल्ली पी गई. तो when the quantity is already definite or fixed, we will have to apply the little. Now see the few, निश्चित थोड़ा. When the number of countable nouns become definite, when the number becomes definite, we will have to apply the few. For example, I had spent blank rupees. I had in my pocket means the rupees I had in my pocket means I have some definite number of rupees in my pocket and I had spent that particular amount. So I think you have got whatever I taught to you. So write it down in your notebook and click the photo and send it to me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you.